Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Ms. D, and I am back with another stitch fix. It is June. Guys, it's June. I cannot believe that we are halfway through the year. Can you believe it? And my box, it's a little small. So I'm thinking, look how thin this is. I'm thinking there's no jeans in here. There's definitely no shoes in here. What they send me? What did they send me? It can't be much of anything because y'all look at this. Look how small this box is. I don't think I've ever received a box this small from them. I'm used to a little bundle of joy. But let's go ahead and dig in. I haven't opened it yet. I haven't even looked at the app because I told myself, I was like, you know what? I'm going to open this on camera so I can see exactly what it is at the same time you guys see what it is. And I'm like, did they jip me? Did they jip me? Let's find out and see. I'm like, Lord, what could be in this little itty bitty box? It's probably a whole bunch of tank tops or flimsy stuff. I don't think it's no thick maxi dresses in here because when I tell you this box is skinny. Woo! I see something off the shoulder. Yee! Hello, Ms. D, and welcome to your fix. I'm so happy to see that you love some of the items, and I am back to style you again. I hope you're doing amazing and loving the warmer spring weather you're experiencing in Arizona. Thank you for including your Instagram for me to gain insight to your style and also your amazing journey. You look amazing. Stitch Fix. Don't get me to crying now. She looked at they look at your Instagram? They really know you. She says, know me, Dakota. Come through, Dakota. Oh my gosh. She said I look amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me continue. I've selected some pieces to really flaunt all that hard work you've put in. Let's dive in. First, know the last pair of jeans I sent you were a tad big, so try these Just USA Distressed Skinnies that should fit you better. You can pair these with any top included today for some amazing looks. Let me know how you like these pieces, Dakota. Dang, girl, we here. Y'all, look, Christmas comes once a month for me. If you are an adult, sign up. Sign your kids up. Sign your husband up. Like, this is amazing at news, right? I have a link, a referral link down below. So if you click on the link below, you will get $25 off your first styling, which is basically free. Your first styling will be free because they normally charge you $20. So basically you'll get $25 off your first styling, and then you will be able to later on apply that to whatever items that you decide to keep. So we lit. Every day we lit, hey, every day we lit, hey. I'm so excited. Let's get into these items. First, we have a bandana looking type scenario here. This is the Fortune Ivy Sarah handkerchief blouse. It's white in a large. Off top, not really my style, I would say, but I'm definitely gonna try it on. We'll see what it looks like on. But it's a little out there for me. Not my type. Not my style, shall I say. But we're gonna go ahead and move on. We're not gonna spend too much time on that one. Next, we have Bixby brand. This is the Delilah tie front top. Very springy, summery. Gives me throw on some linen pants or throw on some light denim jeans and some flip-flops, maybe a cute little hat, and be on your way. Very let's go to the farmer's market on Saturday type vibes, or a Sunday brunch outfit. You go and drink mimosas with your girls, right? I like the style of it. I don't know if it's me, but you know, I'm always willing to try it on. So that is the second item. We're gonna move on to the third item. Oh, I think this is me. Look, it's off the shoulder. And look, it's a little crop. Dakota about to have me out here fast, honey, fast. Do you hear me? This is so cute, right? Adorable. You see those collarbones? They need a little play. You know what I'm saying? They need a little recognition. So I think this will be the perfect item to do that in. And I cannot wait to try it on. This is the, let me give you the deets. Band of Gypsies brand. It's in a large, light blue, crop top off the shoulder. This is the back and this is the front. I like this detail in the back though. You see how it's a little stretchy? So it'll give you some room to kind of play. On to the next. I don't know how to really describe this. I guess you can say this is the Lush brand. It is the Purina tie front crop cami blouse. It's white in a large. I like the detail in the front. I like the little tie. That's cute. Other than that, it's not really giving me anything that I am excited about. But it might look better once it's on. Last but not least, this is a quick fix. I feel like we're getting through this expeditiously. You like that, right? Next we have the Just USA jeans that she was speaking of, which is the Rhea Distressed Skinny Jean. This is in a size 31. I don't know what 31 equates to. A 12. Now, I forgot to change my sizes, guys. That's my fault. I'm a 10 now. So we'll see if these fit better though, but I am technically a size 10 and I forget to go into the app and change my size. These fixes come so fast, I feel I just forget. I'm like in and out, try on, check out, and I'm done. But these are those distressed jeans. This is how it's cut at the bottom. Cute. They have stretch, so I feel like they're definitely going to give me that type of fit that I want. Hopefully it won't be too high-waisted. I do still have a little bit of fupa that I'm trying to disguise, so hopefully it doesn't make it look worse. So you know, sometimes jeans do that. I need that control top where it kind of sucks you in. That's what I need. So let's look at prices since we have a little bit of time. All right. So let's take a look at these prices. All right, almost everything is under $50, which is my budget. So this is a really, really good fit. If I were to purchase everything in this box, I would be at $140, and that is subtracting the $20 that I've already paid in order to get the item sent to me. Now, the jeans are $58, which is not bad. The off-the-shoulder top is $36. The handkerchief blouse is $36. The Delilah front top is $46, and the Purina tie front cami blouse is $38. So some good options here. This is not too bad. I just can't wait to see how some of this stuff fits. So once I do that, we can kind of see what our playing field is. So if you guys are ready to see me try these items on, stay tuned. Guys, so the jeans fit very nice. They're very comfortable, but I know in a couple more pounds these are going to be definitely loose and they're going to be falling off of me, so I'm probably going to go ahead and send these jeans back. The top is cute. I like it. It's, you know, I don't know how to explain it. I'm not really feeling it, so I'll send this back as well. And it's a little big. I feel like I can tie this or pull this a little bit more. It could be a little bit more snug. I know it's flowy and it definitely can work this way, but if I were gonna keep it and wear it, I would want it to be just a little bit tighter. It's just probably one size too big, somewhere around in there, but not too bad for the first shirt. I'm gonna keep these jeans on as I try all the rest of the items on, since we know everything else is just shirts. So let's move on to the next shirt. Not for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and send this back as well. This has a nice fit to it. For sure it's not too bad, but just not me. Say bye-bye. Sis is not convinced. She's not convinced. I need to be convinced. And this quite is not hitting the mark for me. So we have one more item. It is the off the shoulder floral top. So let's go ahead and try that one on. Those that know me know that I thrive and I live for this. So it's probably safe to say that everything's going back but this top. It feels a little small on, you know, down here in the midsection area, but the stretch is really helping. So I think I might keep this anyway. That way, as I progress in my weight loss, I'll be a little bit more comfortable in it in a month or so. And it'll be perfect for the summer, spring, all of that. It's really, it's giving me vacation vibes. Like I need to be on a beach with some cute sandals and a mojito or a margarita or both, you know? I love this, love this, love this, love this. Well, I'm not gonna hold y'all. That concludes this Stitch Fix for June. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for clicking on the video time and time again. I really love you guys. To my new subscribers, hello and welcome. And other than that, if there's anything else that you'd like to see on my channel, go ahead and comment down below and let me know. The video is over. The wait is over. The wait is over. Shimmy, sha. Shimmy, sha, sha. All right, guys. Oh, I like this up close and personal. Yes. That concludes the video. That is my June Stitch Fix. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your family and friends. Let them know what a sister got going on up over here. Tell them she cute and her collarbones is popping and she need a little bit more attention. She needs some more views. Run tell that. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.